Marty.
It's Aunty here again with my ally, Carla.
Aunty, big question now.
Yes.
How do I teach children cultural ways respectfully?
Well, first of all, Carla, it's all about respecting First Nations peoples in the first instance, calling them by their proper names, teaching children to acknowledge them as the first peoples of Australia, to be respectful toward our language and our way of life. But it's also about educating yourself further and then seeing what's available.
There's so many wonderful children's books. Auntie's in the background.
Yes.
There's an Indigenous business, wonderful woman, Jessica Staines, curriculum, educator yarns here.
Yes.
Lots of school resources as well. But it doesn't have to be school resources, as Auntie says.
Yeah.
Start with your own allyship and educating yourself. And Yidigogona.
Go well.